At the closing ceremony held at the Ghana Police Force Training Center, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Annie Nandlall emphasized government's commitment to fostering a justice system that prioritizes reconciliation over retribution.
Restorative justice is one of those concepts that promotes dialogue, promotes social engagement, promotes peace, and eschews confrontation and conflict.
The Attorney General underscored that restorative justice represents a shift away from the traditional adversarial legal system, promoting healing, accountability, and community cohesion. He described it as more than a legal strategy, calling it a way of life.
Justice is a lifestyle. What that means is that not only in your professional outputs and engagements are you to use the principles and precepts of restorative justice, but to do so in the conduct of your day-to-day activities.
Nandlall also highlighted the growing adoption of restorative justice globally, noting that the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ, has been a strong advocate for this approach. Meanwhile, Dr. Diane Williams, an international mediator, mediation coach, and licensed trainer of trainers, explained that participants were carefully selected by the Restorative Justice Center to receive this refresher course.
They have the knowledge to execute, and then they are able to debrief at the end of the day, and they're able to engage in self-care so that they can continue what is, in effect, a journey. Restorative practices is a lifestyle, and with this training, they have begun a very deep but satisfying journey.
One participant from the training, Wendell Jeffrey, highlighted how his background in criminology and his career as a religious practitioner have prepared him for this role.
Very excited because I'm a criminologist and a student of psychology, and I work with ex-offenders, recovering addicts, and so on. I've been doing that for many years. Restorative justice in this format just brings the process full circle, where now I can be more involved with what I do.
Restorative justice is an alternative approach that focuses on rehabilitating offenders through a process of reconciliation with their victims and the community at large. It only applies to minor non-violent offenses and allows the offender to give back to the community while avoiding the stigma of a prison record. Participants will join the existing cohort of practitioners who are determined to educate Guyana'S on the doctrine and reducing the heavy backlog of cases. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Night Today News.